In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple dashboard in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean home base where you can see tasks, deadlines, and quick links all in one place, without hunting through pages. First, create a new page. In your sidebar, click the plus icon to add a page. Then give it a clear title like Dashboard or Home. Keeping the name simple makes it easier to find and recognize later. Next, personalize it so it feels inviting. Click Add Cover to choose a cover image and Add Icon to select an icon that represents your workspace. A little visual identity goes a long way toward making your dashboard a place you actually want to use. Now, maximize your canvas. Click the three dots in the top right and toggle on full width. This gives you more horizontal room, which is perfect for creating columns and fitting more information at a glance. Let's add your task list. On the page, type /table and choose a table that sits inline on the page. This will be your to-do database. Add a checkbox property for completion so you can tick items off, and a date property to set due dates. Give your properties clear names like done and due to keep everything readable. To visualize deadlines, add a calendar view. You can type /calendar to create a new calendar database. Or, if you prefer to keep everything connected, add a linked view of your task list and switch it to a calendar layout. Either way, you'll be able to see tasks plotted by date, which makes planning your week much easier. For quick navigation, use a callout block. Type /callout and use it as a mini menu at the top or left side of your page. Add links to your most used pages, like projects, notes, or resources. You can paste links or mention pages directly, so you can jump around your workspace fast. Organize your content with headings. Type /H2 or /H3 to create clear sections like tasks, projects, or resources. Headings act as visual anchors and make your dashboard easier to scan. Now arrange everything into columns. Grab the 6-dot handle next to any block. Drag it to the far right of another block and wait for the vertical blue line to appear. Drop it, and you've created a new column. For a classic sidebar feel, place your navigation callout on the left and your main databases, like tasks and calendar. On the right, that's your simple Notion dashboard, clean, practical, and built to grow with you. Save it, revisit it daily, and tweak as your needs change. Thanks for watching.